In this video, we will show you how to delete bot on Pinterest using smartphone or if using computers. For the first, let's see how to delete bot on Pinterest if you are using the smartphone. After you open your Pinterest, go to your profile account, just click your profile icon here. And then after that, you can go to save. Save is location that you can find your board, okay? For example, we have this board, technology and games. Let's try to delete the games. How to do that? First, you can click the games board here. In here, you can see there is three dot icon on the top right corner. You can click, and after that, you can click edit board and header image. And please scroll down. You can see there is action buttons. You can delete. Okay, delete this and you can click delete. You have 7 days to restore port in the recently deleted sections. If you want to delete the port, just click delete here. This is if you're using the smartphone. It is almost the same or similar if you are using computers. To delete your port, go to your profile here and go to your saved sections and choose your port. For example, we choose the game and click this. Okay, after that you can click edit board, and similar to mobile version, you can find the delete button here. Just click here and after that click delete. Be careful, if you delete and more than 7 days, your board will delete permanently. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to delete board on Pinterest using smartphone or using computers. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.